Hi, this is the cooking channel. This is Jason, this is Dennis. Today we're going to show you how to make some scrambled eggs.
I'm going to show you how to get your materials ready. First, you need to get your eggs. You're going to need 2.
3 eggs.
23?
No, just 3 eggs.
Oh, okay.
Suck it into the frying pan. Here you go, Jason.
Thank you.
Alright, now crack the egg. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, juicy.
Alright, last egg. Oh yeah. Perfect.
I'll take that shell for you.
Alright.
You need your spoon for this step. Scramble your eggs. How do you think they look?
Not the best, but I mean, it's close to the best.
Yeah, I'll get there. The consistency of it is equal to. Ooh, you see that?
Oh, that's
Hold on, I want to get that for the camera. Cooking channel, look at this. That's what you want.
Now preheat the fucking pan.
You're gonna need your fucking spatula for this step.
Pan has been preheating about 23 seconds now. So now it's time to put in the nice scrambled eggs. Slowly pour it on there. Oh yeah, you could hear it cook already. Give me the fucking spatula, Jason.
Here you fucking go.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. You're almost done.
I need the salt, Jason. Where's the salt?
You're almost done. Now simply just add a little bit of salt on top, sprinkle it on 23 strokes. Oh, perfect. Boom, done, just like that. Turn off the fucking oven, eat them. Bam, just like that. Am I right, Jason? Tell him.
He's right.
Damn right.
Okay.
Oh, this is really good, Jason.
You want some salt?
I already had it.
Oh my god. Can I have
Good
some
job.
salt?
You did, good job.
Yeah, we did.
You know what, Jason? I really love you.
I love you too, man. You know who else I love?
Devin Hester.